Alright, so today we're going to be making some Rice Krispie treats. You're going to need a large, preferably glass pan like this, a stick of butter, 2 teaspoons of real vanilla extract, 400 grams of marshmallows, 200 grams of this puffed rice cereal, some parchment paper, and a large non-stick pan and a non-stick spatula, silicone or something like that. Let's get to it. So for step 1, you're just going to take a little bit of your butter and use that to grease the pan, like so. See, I'm just going to cut off a tiny bit of it right there. Set that aside, use a knife, and then I'm going to take a paper towel and just kind of smear it all over the place. Make sure you get everything. And when you're done with that, you should have a nice coating like that all around it. Set this close to where you're going to be cooking. Now for your next step, just go ahead and turn on your stove to medium-high heat. Plop that butter in there. And you can go ahead and add your vanilla at this point too. I'm just going to add a couple of little pinches in there. Ooh. And now we got to get this to melt all the way before we add the marshmallows. Okay, now that your butter's all done, go ahead and add all 400 grams of those marshmallows that you set aside. Now this is going to take a minute, but you got to pretty much stir continuously. Okay, now all those chunks are out, so we're going to turn off the heat and move this so it's not cooking anymore. And we're going to add our Rice Krispies. Okay, now for the final step, we're just going to put it into our pan here. Don't worry about it being super neat. We're going to take care of that here in just a second. Still got that knife handy from earlier. Ooh. Just gonna kind of somewhat get it ready for the last step. So now You got a little treat right there. That's good. I'm gonna take a chunk of this parchment paper. And be careful, this will be a little hot. You're just gonna press that down. Nice flat. Let's see what it looks like. I get the edges here a little better. Okay, just leave that paper in place while this cools. Okay, so I'm ready to get a bite of this thing. All you need to do, get yourself a nice sharp knife. You may have to cut it more than once. I didn't wait for it to cool all the way, so it's a little bit chewy coming out of here. I'm hungry. That's good. It's sticky. Well, I hope you get a chance to make this, little man. I love you very much. Have a good one.